Hey everybody, this is Abel from TechNave. We got ourselves a Logitech K380 Multi device keyboard. So what this does is it connects with all these devices here, Bluetooth. So we can open up the box just to see what's inside. Gotta take this off first. One more. Okay. So opening it up. Okay. So here's the device itself. It's wrapped in plastic. The instructions here. And what's this? Instructions. Pretty sure there's nothing else inside. Yeah. Okay. So it's just the keyboard and the instruction paper here. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for hands-on.